So back in the day, he used to call these front bras, but this is a Novistrech bra. What's up, y'all? CLT hit me back with another video. Y'all see the big scat pack in the back. But as y'all see, my car is wrapped. If y'all haven't seen that video, y'all might have to go check it out. Satin black on one side, and it's also split down the middle. Yes, sir. Fire. But that's one of my previous videos. Sorry, I haven't been posting as much recently. I've been dealing with a whole lot of stuff, getting a whole lot of stuff straight. But today, as you can see on the side, I got all my emblems taken off, as in every last one except for the Dodge on the rear. That does it say Dodge? Let me make sure. Ooh, it says Charger. Charger on the left side of the car, driver's side. And then on the passenger side was the Scat pack logo B. That comes on the 19th. So I actually have all these right here from the wrap shop. I haven't even taken them out the car because I haven't really driven the car since the wrap shop. But see the 392 emblems. Those are aftermarket. I had them black. So I actually took those off, and this is the B logo that came off the car. Now, I have no yellow on my car whatsoever. So that had to go. It really did. And I replaced it, or I'm replacing it with another Scat pack logo B. But I'm gonna show y'all the difference. This one is yellow. And I'm gonna turn the camera around for you down so I don't scratch my car. But this one is yellow. And the new one is this one. Same size, literally identical, same size. I got it off eBay, and I had to put down the link in the description, but it's not, I don't have yellow in my car. And I think this one will go with the silver, the black, you know what I'm saying, kind of help it, you know what I'm saying, in a better way than the yellow would. So I'm actually gonna put that on the car. And before I do, let me know what y'all think. But I think this would be a better look anyways. But that's the only badges I have on my car really now. The one over here, these are vinyl, which it matches the teal strip I have going down the middle of the car. So it's the teal line, and on both sides, it's 392, and then little accents with the wheels, the brakes. So yeah, I'm actually gonna install that. And it actually reminds me of the one that's in the seat. And I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh shoot, did I just, hold on, bro. I think it is the one that's on the seat. What? That's crazy. But nah, this is definitely going on the car right now. And then I think there's a couple car meets this weekend, so you know I gotta pull the baby out so people can see the car. Not many people have seen the car yet because it's been in the garage. So this is going on. I'll show y'all whenever I put this on. Real simple, easy install. I'm not even gonna do an install for this because, man, black, you can see everything, bro. I remember why I didn't buy a black car now. But that's going on. No install video for that because it's literally 3M tape. I could put it over here for real, but I'm not going to. General area right over here. Shouldn't be too bad. And then boom, it's gonna be installed. But actually getting these chains, that red, that's gotta go. I'm actually gonna get one color match to this. It's gonna be instead of red, it's gonna be the teal with the tube in it. And then my HT sticker on the front of the car is actually going to be the same color as well. So I'm actually changing all the colors out so it's not many other colors that's poking out like before. And y'all let me know if I should change out the Scat pack. Look at this bad mofo. But watch out, man. If I should change this one out too. I don't know. This is the only one that's left on the car. But I gotta drop the front bumper to take that one off. So I don't know how I feel. But this is the car. If y'all haven't seen the video, go check it out. I'll put the link down. And let's get this installed real quick. And just like that, it's installed. Simple. But it's a little small details. Like, yeah, this is cool and all, but I think that's more of like going with the theme of the car pretty much. So I'll take it. Definitely. I might leave this on there. I really don't care, but that's gotta go. The red. And then this is what I was talking about right up here. Y'all see the HT? It's just black and silver. So the silver part, the silver lining, is gonna be this color. So pretty much a 1 of 1. And I think I still might keep the carbon fiber. You know what I'm saying? But that is the car, bro. Let me know what y'all think. I'm get some reactions of the people that actually seeing it for the first time. I might go to a car meet today. I don't know. It's kind of chilly outside, bro. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, short, quick little video, just catch up everybody with the progress of the car. Comment down below what y'all think of the car. If it's a thumbs up, thumbs down, definitely let me know in the video. And I'll catch y'all later on today or tomorrow, whenever the meets are. And I actually got a Novistrech bra too. You know, the little thing that goes on the front of the car. Front bumper mask, whatever you want to call it. I actually got one of those too, so I might actually install it and let y'all see what it looks like. Yeah, I might as well. And this is the Novistrech bra or cover. I call them bras. Like my dad said back in the day, he used to call these front bras, but this is a Novistrech bra, and it's supposed to catch all the bugs and stuff. But mine actually didn't work as well. I had to finesse mine. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. There's no point in me even making a video on this particular mod, but 2 clips right here, or 2 buttons on both sides of the car. And then under the hood, these little cords go over these tabs. This goes up under and it's secured. So I'm actually gonna drive around with it, see how it actually works. It actually looks pretty mean. Let me turn on the lights on my car and let me see how it looks. And this is with the lights on. But I think it ran me like 150, I wanna say. 150 from Novistrech. 2-day shipping, real quick and easy. But this is gonna come in handy for the Atlanta trip, driving down there so rocks and bugs and stuff don't, you know what I'm saying, get on the paint, so it'll be easier to clean whenever I get down there. Any type of traveling, this is gonna be probably the go-to that I do. And it literally just wraps right up under. This is like a little Velcro strip that I can secure it, I guess. But I might not need it because this is really tight, especially with the front splitter. It's hot and all that. The front splitter is making it really freaking tight. I didn't even know if I could get it to secure itself, but it's very easy. Tension. But these are the couple mods I've done recently: the wrap, the Novistrech bra, and I replaced the B logo on the backside. Might end up doing more lights in the grill, but I think I might be done for a while. Just gonna continue growing the YouTube channel. Let me know if y'all like the build. Let me know what y'all think about the car. I know I'm not as big as all the other YouTubers yet, but I think it's eye-catching for sure. COT Hemi. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff because I'm very, very interactive with my channel. Follow me on Instagram, COT Hemi as well. You see that? Boom. All the same for all my social media. And like that, I catch you on the next one.